Hey guys, this is Vishal welcoming you to another video of Technalist. In this video, I am going to unbox Xiaomi's upcoming smartphone, that is Mi 9X or Mi A3, technically not physically. So before we start talking about Mi 9X, please subscribe the channel to get notified each time I upload a video. Before moving to the phone, let's take a recap. Xiaomi launched many affordable and powerful devices on MIUI system which were so successful, but not everyone likes custom OS. And also regular updates based on MIUI are not provided by Xiaomi, but in Android One based smartphones, security updates are provided directly by Google every month, and also latest Android updates. So later on, Xiaomi started his Android One series with Mi A1, which was a successful device. Mi A1 was known to provide Android One interface with great design and performance at an affordable price. Later on, Xiaomi launched its second Android One smartphone, that was Mi A2. Mi A2 was better than Mi A1 in design, camera and performance. Mi A2 was not that successful as Xiaomi removed headphone jack, so people have to think twice before buying it. Now it's the time for Mi A3, which will be relaunched as Mi 9X in China. As per report, the new Android One smartphone will also not have a headphone jack. So without wasting any further time, let's move to the technical unboxing of upcoming Android One smartphone by Xiaomi, that is Mi 9X or Mi A3. Before moving to Mi 9X, please like this video as it motivates me to make better videos. Firstly, let's take a look at the performance section of this smartphone. On basis of rumors and leaks, Mi 9X or Mi A3 is expected to launch with Qualcomm Snapdragon 675 CPU with Adreno 612 GPU. As Snapdragon 675 is more powerful than Snapdragon 660, this phone will provide lag-free mobile users. And also Adreno 612 GPU will provide massive gaming experience. Anyone can easily play high FPS demanding games like PUBG, Asphalt 9 on higher resolution without any lag or drop in frame rates. The phone is designed to provide greater speed and stability at an affordable price. Mi 9X or Mi A3 is going to compete with Xiaomi's latest custom OS based smartphone, which is Redmi Note 7 Pro. Redmi Note 7 Pro with 6GB RAM and 128GB ROM is priced at 16,999. So as expected, Xiaomi will launch Mi 9X or Mi A3 at near this price. Mi 9X or Mi A3 is expected to launch with RAM capacity of up to 6GB, so multitasking is not going to create an issue anymore. This was the hardware part of the Mi 9X or Mi A3. In software, Mi 9X or Mi A3 is going to come with Android One interface, which will get latest updates which will help in improving the stability and speed of the smartphone. And also, Xiaomi can increase the performance of Snapdragon 675 in Mi 9X or Mi A3 by using stock Android interface. As this phone is based on Android One interface, users will get unlimited photo storage on Google Photos app, which will release memory space and will affect the overall performance. Let's talk about design and build of Mi 9X or Mi A3. Mi 9X or Mi A3 is going to have 6.4-inch Super AMOLED display with 19.5:9 ratio. The screen resolution of Mi 9X or Mi A3 is 1080 by 2340 pixels. The pixel density of Mi 9X display is 403 pixels per inch. According to rumors, Mi 9X or Mi A3 is going to have in-display fingerprint sensor, which will be faster than other in-display fingerprint sensors in budget segments. Mi 9X or Mi A3 is going to have slim bezel design with Corning Gorilla Glass 5 protection. As Gorilla Glass protection is seen in many budget smartphones, Xiaomi is going to add Gorilla Glass protection in Mi 9X or Mi A3. Mi 9X or Mi A3 will have gradient finish on back, due to which the phone feels as a premium smartphone. Mi 9X or Mi A3 will support NFC, so you can transfer files by just touching phones. Mi 9X or Mi A3 also comes with Bluetooth 5.0 support, which will result in faster file transfer through Bluetooth. The phone also supports dual 4G standby, so you can use two 4G SIMs at the same time. Let's talk about the cameras of this smartphone. Mi 9X or Mi A3 comes with a 48 megapixel primary lens with f1.8 aperture. With f1.8 aperture, you can click brighter and less noisy pictures with this smartphone. The phone also comes with a 13 megapixel ultra-wide lens with f2.4 aperture. Ultra-wide lens is used to capture extra details that the primary lens can't do. The phone also have a 8 megapixel telephoto lens with f2.4 aperture. This lens supports optical zoom, so you can zoom while capturing photos and videos without any loss in quality of videos and photos. The phone also comes with inbuilt AI functionality, which helps in taking photos and videos. AI mode can detect different scenes and can adjust the image according to the scene. AI mode also helps in improving low light photography and capturing images with great colors and good quality. The phone does not have optical image stabilization but has electronic image stabilization. Let's talk about the battery part of the Mi 9X or Mi A3. Due to slim design, the phone will have 3300 mAh lithium polymer battery, which is lower than the Redmi Note 7 Pro battery. The phone also supports 18-watt quick charge 4.0. Let's talk about the pricing of Mi 9X or Mi A3. Mi 9X or Mi A3 with 4GB RAM and 64GB ROM will cost 16,999, and Mi 9X or Mi A3 with 6GB RAM and 128GB ROM will cost 19,999. So Mi 9X is expected to launch till the end of this month in China. Mi 9X will be relaunched as Mi A3 in India in the month of July. Thank you for watching. If you think this video was helpful for you, then like this video, subscribe this channel and comment down below. I'll see you in the next one.